Baking method.
Bitch, I'm stylish. Glock talk, big t-shirt, Billy.
Tap the starch down as much as possible until you don't hear no squeaking. I used a syrup bottle, then tape it down. You might want to use duct tape.
Okay, now you're just gonna wrap it. You might need somebody to help you with this. Make sure, try to wrap the whole thing if you have enough. Then, once you get done with it, you can wet the ace bandages and wrap it up in one piece of foil for baking. And that's it.
Baking method.